There are several important factors to take into consideration before buying an above-ground swimming pool. You'll want to be sure to not only find one that fits your budget, but also one that's durable, easy to set up, and maintain over time. Check out the quick info below of our top above-ground pool, then watch for more helpful buying tips and full reviews. Number 1. Intex Rectangular Pool Set. Have an amazing time with family and friends with the spacious Intex Rectangular Ultra-Frame Pool Set. Engineered for strength, the Ultra-Frame pool is supported by strong, durable steel frames which are powder-coated for rust resistance and beauty. Your backyard will be the place to be all summer as your family can relax and float or splash and play. Number 2. Pulley Group PRO Series. This quick assembly pool is up to 80% stronger than other frame pools to withstand rigorous use. Constructed of heavy-gauge PVC reinforced with an inner layer of polyester mesh, Summer Waves Elite pools provide superior strength. Unlike other frame pools, this pool features the Skimmer Plus filtration system, a full-functioning surface skimmer that keeps your pool free from leaves and bugs. Number 3. Bestaway Deluxe Splash Frame Pool. One of the finest features of the rectangular pool is how incredibly quick and easy it is to put together. The frame of the family swimming pool is made by joining steel poles together with T-connectors and C-clips. These hold the pool liner and tough PVC and polyester outer wall in place, creating the rectangular shape of the above-ground pool. Number 4. Power Steel Frame Pool Set. The Bestaway 16 feet Power Steel Pro Frame Pool is perfect for cooling down and chilling out during scorching summer months. The pool's tough PVC and polyester outer wall and metal tech liner are held in place by durable steel frames. The connectors, clips and frames have been specially designed for easy connection so that setting up this above-ground pool is as easy, quick and convenient as possible. Number 5. Summer Waves Rectangular Metal Frame Swimming Pool Package. The Summer Waves Elite Affordable Metal Frame Swimming Pools bring family fun and relaxation to any backyard. This quick assembly pool is up to 80% stronger than other frame pools to withstand rigorous use. Unlike other frame pools, this pool features the Skimmer Plus filtration system, a full-functioning surface skimmer that keeps your pool free from leaves and bugs. The integral cartridge and skimmer basket are easy to remove and clean,